Today's episode is all about pain. Why? Because pain doesn't care if the pharmacy's closed. It doesn't care if society collapsed. Let's talk herbs, supplements, and natural painkillers backed by science. This is alternative healing, pain edition. This right here is what Big Pharma copied. White willow bark contains salicin, the same compound that led to the creation of aspirin. What it helps: headaches, back pain, joint pain, menstrual cramps. A meta-analysis in phytotherapy research showed white willow was significantly effective for lower back pain with fewer side effects than synthetic aspirin. Where it comes from? From the bark of the white willow tree, Salix alba, commonly found in Europe, Asia, and even North America. You can make it into tea or get it as capsules or tinctures. You thought turmeric was just for lattes? Nah, boo. Curcumin is her pain-killing, inflammation-slaying alter ego. What it helps: arthritis, chronic pain, muscle soreness, post-surgery inflammation. Studies show curcumin when paired with black pepper is as effective as ibuprofen for osteoarthritis. How to use: take it in capsule form for standardized dose. Make golden milk with turmeric plus black pepper. Add to food regularly for low-dose support. Or brew it in a tea. Clove is that tiny brown spice you ignore until your mouth starts throwing hands. What it helps: toothaches, gum infections, headaches, and muscle pain when applied topically. The Journal of Dentistry found clove gel to be as effective as benzocaine for numbing. Use clove oil orally for tooth pain or topically for sore muscles. Add to tea or meals for digestive and mild pain support. Now this one sounds like a Marvel villain, but trust me, DL-phenylalanine is a real one. What it helps: chronic pain, depression-related pain, boosting natural endorphins and enkephalins, your body's natural painkillers. Studies show DLPA can enhance pain tolerance and mood via neurotransmitter support, and it works synergistically with other pain relief treatments. How to use: available as capsules or powders, usually taken on an empty stomach. DLPA basically tells your pain, hush, we are ignoring you today. This one needs no intro. CBD is the new girl that everybody wants, and for good reason. What it helps: anxiety-related pain, inflammation, nerve pain, muscle aches, menstrual cramps, topical for joint or localized pain. It is non-psychoactive, in other words, it won't get you high, but it's still powerful. How to use: oils, salves, edibles, pills, vapes for fast-acting relief. If the shelves are empty and the doc's office ain't calling you back, what are you going to do for pain? These alternatives are shelf-stable, lightweight, are found in nature or made from plants, and with some effort you could even grow, forage, or wildcraft some of them. Don't just survive, thrive. Be your own apothecary, your own healer, your own pain relief plan B. Pain is real, but so is nature's medicine cabinet. So the next time the lights go out, the storm rolls in, or capitalism does what it does, you'll have more than just ibuprofen and a prayer. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment one of the many other natural pain relievers so we can keep this list going. Until next time, stay healed, stay persistent, and stay learning. Love you, sis.